Metabo HPT just dropped the first 36-volt cordless metal connector nailer in the industry, and it looks sweet. I'm Clint DeBoer from Pro Tool Reviews, here with another new tool tip-off you don't want to miss. The new Metabo HPT cordless strap nailer is part of their 36-volt MultiVolt system. It really looks ideal for residential framing job sites, deck building, really anywhere you're using and securing joist straps. As a cordless tool, the Metabo NR3665DA aims to eliminate the need to drag long hoses or even bring a compressor. As for fasteners, this nailer is compatible with 35-degree 1.5 inch and 2.5 inch nails up to 0.162 inches in diameter. Metabo HPT claims you can drive 900 of those longer nails using a 2.5 amp-hour lithium-ion battery, keeping you working longer and charging less frequently. As you might expect, it's powered by a brushless motor, and it uses the familiar Metabo HPT air spring drive system. Since it doesn't use a flywheel, it skips the windup, and it feels much more like a pneumatic nailer, firing immediately when you pull the trigger. The strap-type probe tip should look familiar. Stick that spring-loaded tip right where you want the nail to go and fire. It provides a clear sightline with fewer missed shots. Since this is a 36-volt multi-volt tool, it also runs off the optional multi-volt AC adapter. While you probably don't need it for a tool like this, having the option to plug in to wrap up a job when you run out of batteries is key. Metabo HPT put together a pretty nice kit for around $479, which includes the metal connector nailer, a 2.5 amp-hour multi-volt battery, rapid charger with USB port, contractor bag, adjustment wrenches, safety glasses, and even a belt hook. They also cover the tool with a 2-year warranty. You can pick it up from Acme Tools or wherever Metabo HPT is sold. Check back in with us every Thursday and Saturday as we post new tool reviews and head-to-head comparisons of the latest and greatest products. Also, be sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.